The topic of today's video is how to crop pages in Adobe Acrobat. So here we are in Adobe Acrobat. Guys, do check the links in the description of this video because we've got tons of helpful resources that you can use. Now, what we want to do here is obviously we've got our page that we want to edit. And what we're going to do is click on the Edit tab on the top left-hand corner. Then we're going to go down to Crop, which is this icon. Then all we need to do is highlight the section we want to crop and then press Enter. And then all you need to do is click OK. Unless, of course, you want to adjust the page size, that is. And there you are. Now you have cropped out your section. And that's how easy it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget to check those links in the description of this video. And I'll see you in the next one.